Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Garlet's High Performance Garage channel. And today we're going to do a couple cold starts. Because I have to have gravel dumped in my driveway today, so we're going to start and move this turd, and that turd, and I'm going to move over a little bit. Because this one gets ran in the evenings sometimes. It's covered with bird shit because of those lines. Let's get started, shall we? You see the sods growing up in my driveway here, and I don't have the money to put gravel in, and a friend of mine's going to haul it in a triaxle dump truck. So let's see what we can get this thing to do here. It should run. I had it running last night, so very hot. Here we go. And actually last night I had a spider crawling on me in here. That lit me up a little bit. I was like, oh God, a spider. I hate spiders. Okay. Yes, as you can see, 1984 technology. And we're going to hear some squealing belts. I can tell you that right now. Give her a couple pumps. Yeah, squealing belts. There we go. All that oil pressure for an old 305. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Here we go. And of course, I still haven't used these parts. They're even getting sun bleached. They've been in here for so long. Oh well. That's how it goes usually. So I'm stuck fixing my house, or well, my shitty little trailer up. Because, you know, I was told it looked like a fucking bachelor pad around here, and I needed to fix it up and put flower beds and all that bullshit in, but whatever. Anyway, let's go for a ride. Go for a ride, baby. Woo! For a 305, this truck doesn't run too bad. Has front brakes too, so no turn signals. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think the old girl would probably benefit from a full exhaust system and, well, suspension overhaul, you know, all that other stuff. all these old Chevy trucks, they all suffer from that rocker panel cab corner cab mount syndrome. They all get that because, you know, when you run them in the wintertime, and they all tend to rot. But I think these newer vehicles rot way faster than the old ones because of just the cheap materials they're made out of today. These old trucks here, they're made out of heavy gauge steel, which takes a long time for that salt to eat them up. Get her to slowing her down. Ain't got much brake. Slow her down. There. Hold on. Whoa, girl. Whoa. There we are. All right. Park her in the yard here. Park her in the far side so I can get these other fucking cars in here. Oh, there we are. Ah, that's good. Right there. All right. That's awesome. Oh, there's the first one moved. Damn. Boy, it's getting hot. And here we go.